Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here making slime with my little sister, Willow.
Yeah, you may have saw me in a few videos.
And we're going to be making some slime. We're going to be making pineapple, matcha slime, and strawberry acai slime. And today, that's what we're going to be doing. And
We got activated.
in today's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you guys. So we have 3 little containers. We have our glue scented slime. This is the strawberry acai, and this is the pineapple matcha. And we have activator, 2 things, and we have glitters. We have foam balls. We have these little sponges, and we have ice cubes. So we're gonna, and we have a measuring cup. That's it. And then we got popsicle sticks so we can mix it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. But let's see. Let's do the glue first.
No, we have to do the activator.
No, we do glue first.
Okay.
How much do we need? I'm gonna put it in. Ew, this is like really sticky. It depends how much I want to make, but it's gonna have to fit.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna put maybe.
Since you already put that in there, I'm gonna put mine in here.
1.5. In this measuring cup.
Yeah, I want it like that much. Is that enough?
That is not enough. You're gonna use this, okay? But does it smell even? Okay, yes, it smells. But don't mind anything in the background.
Yeah.
So we're getting started right now. So this is what it looks like.
This is
looks
how
like
much I want to know.
Okay,
mine looks like
no.
yellow pea.
No,
I mean, pink pea.
okay, shh. Nobody wants to hear that one.
Oh, that actually sounds even kind of.
Add a little more, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of activator, guys. I'm not gonna add too much.
Yo.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna add a little more when I'm done. And Willow, add some more. Like, she's not listening, guys. I'm so sorry. She will not add enough.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
We have to put a lot in. The more the merrier, guys. Hold on. Don't mind my brother. So now we're gonna take our popsicle sticks and we're gonna mix. Okay, it's already turning into slime. Like, it's a little sticky. I might have to add Bubby! So our slime is already sliming.
Yes,
which I'm gonna oh, mine's chunky.
Pick that up.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more activator.
I think I need to.
Okay, it's really gluey.
So do I need to?
Yes, we both do. We both need. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, now I might overactivate it.
It's okay if we overactivate it.
No, it's not, because there's no turning back. Okay. Okay, I already overactivated it. This is not no slime, guys. This is so chunky. I think I overactivated it. Okay, so
my cup fell. Can I borrow this one?
No.
Mine's also chunky.
Okay, I'm adding some more glue, because, like, what is this? Okay, so guys, we're not the best slime makers, but okay, so
yeah. What should I name like the chunky monkey? I really chunky.
Chunky monkey. So it's
what
kind
did you add in?
just more glue. So I'm gonna mix some. Okay, I need a lot more glue. Bubby, can you please chill? I'm trying to make a video, kid. For all my fans that want to see us make slime. So my cousin did this before. Hers turned out way better than mine. Go check out my cousin's channel. Hers is Pam Goff. And it's a little girl. Her name's Zoe. She's my cousin. She's not a little girl. She's like older than me, but
yeah,
she's my older cousin.
Yeah.
She's like 12 or 11.
We don't know.
But I'm pretty sure she's 12. But anyways, So I think I need to add a little more activator, but this is like crunchy, bro. Hold up. Shh, ASMR. Okay. And you should go check out my other cousin's channel. Hers is Poison Evie. Poison and then a period and then a 3VY. So Poison Evie. Okay, yours is coming out way better than mine. But okay.
Yeah, because I had like a few drops of that.
Sorry this is gonna take forever, guys, but
When we don't use, we can show you what the add-ins that we're gonna add in. We have to share the ice cubes.
okay, so guys, I'll come back when shh, please. Calm down. Calm down.
No, yeah.
Okay, so sorry, my mom's in the background. Okay, shh. I'll come back when my slime is sliming.
Mine too.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna retry my slime because it looks horrible. So I'm gonna retry it. So I'm gonna put some more glue in, but I don't know what I'm just gonna throw this away because it's like so bouncy. Like it doesn't even squish, it just rips. I think I overactivated it because I added more glue, but I don't think it worked. But now I'm gonna make a pink one.
Yeah, we should both.
So I changed my camera
back.
now. Yeah, she's back. She had to go find the container because she dropped it. So I'm gonna take
I think my
strawberry. Yeah, hers is really good. But I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna. Okay, she's gonna name hers Crystal Clear.
Because it actually does look like a crystal kind of.
So I'm gonna use the activator that's left.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Bro, it's already sliming. How is that possible?
Because the pink does the best.
I'm gonna use my fingers instead of my stick.
I need.
Because I used that one for the pineapple. Okay, I think I had way too much glue, but the more the merrier, you know?
You,
Okay, so it's
you can like how much
working.
glue you want, because that's how much slime you get.
Wait, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of activator.
So I added like more activator later.
Okay, it's falling apart.
Every time you add activator, it gets more stretchy.
The activator's not supposed to. It's supposed to make it more stiff. Okay, guys, she doesn't know what she's talking about. You can overactivate it or underactivate it. Right now, mine's underactivated because this is so gluey and wet. So I'm gonna add some
I'm
more.
thinking like how much we need in.
Hers is turning out perfectly fine, but mine was horrible. Like it's a ball of rubber, straight up.
Yeah, I would play with this.
You go ahead. It's hard.
I can turn it in to slime for you. If give me this container.
Bro. So it's kind of overactivating again, like what happened with the last one. But maybe I just need to add some more. Actually, oh.
I can turn this.
Okay, so it's so gluey still, but I'm gonna add just like a tiny.
Activator on my leg.
The activator is supposed to help, but this is really sticky like glue. Like my hands are so dirty right now. Okay, so my mom's sick, guys. So oh my gosh, I'm adding the wrong stuff. Okay, so
Added the wrong stuff. Hungry hippo, hungry hippo, hungry, hungry, hungry hippo.
okay, well, you can chill now.
Yeah, you
So-
see what I did? It's more slimy now.
It is not. We forgot to add water. Wait, do we add water? Oh yeah, we forgot to add water.
Okay, let me go to the water.
Hey, you guys, you're supposed to add water, bro. I've never made slime like a day in my life, basically. This one's like a ball of rubber, too. It's bouncy. She buddy, she knows she a third. Okay, anyways. So I'm going to just clear this bowl out and make a new slime because we forgot to add water. She's supposed to add water.
There.
Like,
I know how to open water, so don't worry, guys.
okay, so I'm gonna open this water. So, okay, so guys, we're almost out of glue, kind of.
Yeah, the pinky pinky.
What is I mix them? I'm gonna add a little bit of each.
We need this.
So I mix them a little. I need my stick. I don't even care if this is mine or not. So I'm gonna get the rest of the slime that was on the sides off. And then I'm gonna add a little tea bit of water. After I add some more strawberry. I'm gonna add the whole bottle. So it's really watery. As you can see, it's so watery. So that's why I need activator. I don't want to over-activate it, so.
I think I'm the professional here.
Add the water.
No, yours isn't like water now.
Oh yeah, I just started mixing.
I feel myself.
I don't know if you add water, but we do. Well, glue is like a water. Well, glue is a liquid and so is water. So two liquids do not make slime.
I think I need a redo.
I'm so smart, guys.
I need a redo.
Wait, mine's actually sliming.
Mine's not.
Need some more activating.
Mine's not slimy.
Why is yours not sliming?
Look.
No, mine's still runny. It has diarrhea. Wait, it's like here. It has the crabs. Hey, at least I didn't see the word. Sorry, guys. I got a poopy mouth.
I'm gonna eat it. Actually,
Okay,
the
so
slime.
here's my slime. It is so.
Mine's actually slimy now.
Okay, mine's still gluey. I'm gonna add just a teeny bit
I think we need to
of
put away the.
activator.
I accidentally added too much water into this one. Look.
Oh crap! Well, just
This
mix.
one's not. Hey guys, now it's time for me to
So guys,
my ice
I'm
cube.
gonna explain my life about being a YouTuber, and then Willow can do hers.
Yeah.
Willow has her own channel. Go subscribe. It doesn't have any videos right now, but it's called Willow's Adventures. Like not the Avengers, but like going on a trip in your favorite rocket ship. Not like that, but it's a picture of her
And my
with my cat, Leo. So now I'm going to tell you guys how I wanted to be a YouTuber. So for my first video, you guys probably saw, and if you haven't, please go watch it after this. But as you guys have not saw it, I really want you to see it. But my aunt, she was hiding in the background, so don't mind her. But I've always wanted to be a YouTube person because the only thing I've watched since I was a baby is YouTube. But like I watch Netflix, Disney, Hulu, Paramount Plus. I watch those stuff, but like I've started watching YouTube.
I will.
But I've started watching YouTube since
look at
I got
this
a
one.
phone when I was 3. And
We
yeah.
actually ruined the first one and then I made.
We ruined our first one. They're so chunky. Like rubber.
Yeah, and
So
then
here's my slime,
you
guys.
get 2 ice cubes, I get 2.
Turn top.
Oh, can I have flamings?
No, not yet.
Oh, what about that?
How does yours turn out so smooth? This is mine, guys. It's so bulky. I don't
Because I added the
know.
rest of
And then
this
look.
one into there.
Maybe I didn't add too much water. But anyways, guys. So, like I was saying, I've always wanted to be a YouTuber because the only thing I've watched is YouTube. And I got my first phone when I was 3, not free. Because it was my mom's old phone, which she had for like a long time. And then I had 2 phones actually, because I had my dad's old phone and my mom's old phone. And I'm filming this on my Samsung Galaxy, and it's an iPad. But anyways, so I've always loved YouTube. Just because I've wanted to be a YouTuber does not mean that all I've watched was YouTube, even though I've said that. But like, guys, you get what I'm saying, right? If you don't, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, okay? So I just wanted to be a YouTuber because I thought it was cool. And I've been a YouTuber for almost 5 years, maybe. Wait, actually, no. It's
Since
been
he was 6.
since I was 6, and I'm 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've been a YouTuber for 3 years.
You mean 4?
3. Well,
Oh.
this is my 4th year, but 3, basically. Anyways, so yeah, about that. And then I've just started making YouTube videos, which you guys make them go viral. Thanks so much, guys. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I've introduced Aaliyah. Aaliyah is my best friend. I'm sorry about her. She's
My sister cuckoo too.
Who's Cuckoo, guys? Who's Cuckoo? Okay. Okay, anyways. So now I'm here, and I have another channel. Well, I have 2 other channels, actually. I have my phone's channel, my YouTube channel on my phone. And then I have my mom's YouTube channel. I don't post a lot on there like I used to, but you guys still make my videos go viral.
Yeah.
All of them. So there's...
And sometimes I'm in them.
Yeah, sometimes she's in them. But, so this channel, of course, is Naomi Lynn's channel. And then I have Naomi Lynn 9, which is spelled the same way, but just a 9 at the end. You'll see me laying in the grass. And yeah. And then my other YouTube channel, it's just an S. I can't remember what it's called, but it's in my description under my subscribers as you go to my YouTube channel, which is there. But don't check that channel out. But Willow just got it, so I'll be back. Okay guys, sorry, Willow just bonked her head a little. So I added my rubber slime with my new slime I just made. Added my rubber slime with my new slime. And now I'm gonna add some glue. I'm doing this with my hand. Okay? Don't ask. Oh yeah, guys, look. So I got this shirt, and the back of my shirt. I don't know if you can see, but it's just like these 2 dogs, and it's so cute. It's a Jesus shirt, so. But it matches my Jesus bracelet. It says Jesus loves you, and it's pink, and I got it from the church. And yeah, and these black pants. My mom got this for me. And I have another outfit. And it's so cozy, guys.
Yeah, I got like the same shirt as my friend.
Yeah, we'll call her N. And then
Actually, all.
Nobody cares. Well, how about we call her T? But I hope you guys didn't hear that. But anyways, they probably watch my videos anyway. So hi to you know who, you know yourself. But anyways, for Aaliyah, she is my bestest friend ever. Yeah, so that's a different story. But so yeah, guys, it failed today. It worked for her, but mine didn't. Look at this, guys. It's still rubber. Still flipping rubber. Maybe I had too much activator. Like, I barely even added activator at all. You guys saw, like, no activator like at all, I promise.
There's water on my neck.
Why is there water on your neck?
It spilled somehow.
Bro, she's talking nonsense. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this back in. Maybe I just need to put, or maybe I just need to add water.
Okay.
But it looks kind of cute.
I'm coming, guys.
Where?
I just got water spilled on me.
She's fine, so don't think she got hurt. She's not. But anyways, so guys, I'm gonna add some add-ins, hopefully make it better. But like, this is what it won't mix. And it's not looking too well because it's not mixing and it's wet mixed together. Fine, I got it. You can never rip this apart and put it back. Sorry, guys.
And then
You didn't see that.
Yes.
No, I don't. Totally not. Okay, So anyways, I'm gonna pour all my excess slime into my little activator container because I don't need it anymore. Bro, what are you doing?
It's for you. So you
I
can
don't want
slime.
it. Oh, just add it with my slime. Big growth container. Okay.
Thanks.
I'm gonna add my one ice cube
Guys,
because Willow lost it. I just got slime stuck on my shirt.
Yeah, and I
No,
got
not
one
my
stuck on
favorite
me.
cat. Nope.
Yeah, I also got one ice cube.
Not my shirt, not my shirt. This is my favorite shirt. This is my favorite shirt, guys.
Where's my lid at? Here's my lid. Do you
No.
have any more lids?
They were on the table. You lost it, not me. Okay, anyways. So I'm gonna add just a little more activator
I lost my
and
lid.
like the rest of this bottle. Not literally. I
I'm
added
just
like
talking
half
to my
of it.
cat, Wiki.
Wicked.
Yeah, Wiki.
Wicked, woo. Guys, so have you seen the movie Wicked? We did not name our cat Wicked after the movie. We got him from a rescue center, and then his name was Wicked, and he looked so wicked.
Yeah.
So of course we had to keep his name. And then we have my tabby orange cat. He's a boy. His name is Tiny Tim. Timothy.
The
Well, we never call him Timothy because I had a dude in my class named Timothy. He's so annoying, so I just call him Tim. I call him Tiny sometimes. 'Cause Tiny is like his first name, and then our last cat, Leo.
Yeah, you
Boys.
did.
They're all boys.
Yeah.
So Wicked, his nickname's Wiki Wick or Wiki
Wiki
Woo. Or we have Tiny, we call him Tiny Tim or Tiny. Or Tiny Time. I call him Tiny.
I
Do you
call him
ever
Tiny
call
Bunny.
Tiny?
We call him Tiny Bunny sometimes.
Or Tiny Whiny. And then Leo, we call him Leo Bugs or Wiki or Wiki Woo or Tiny. But we call Leo Bugs because it's just so cute. And I found this girl on YouTube. Her cat looks just like mine. And we found my cat Leo from my neighbor. She found them and they were, well, she found 3 kittens. 2 boys, 1 girl. The girl passed, so there was 2. There was a white and yellow one. A white and yellow. Oh, I'm losing my mind, guys. I meant white and black. And then Leo, he lost his tail. He like has a little nubby toe. I don't know what Leo is, but I'll show it to you. But and then we got Wicked. He's a boy. He's 2 years old.
Yeah, you
And then we have Tiny. He is 1 year old. Well, Wicked's birthday is on the 4th of July. Tiny Tim's birthday is January 2nd. And then Leo's birthday, he is 1. And Leo's birthday is October 2nd. Yeah, and so that's our cat's birthday. I don't know why we started talking about cats, but oh yeah, Lila started talking. Okay, now I know. But look at, come here. Come here. Bro, hold up. Come here, Wiki. Wiki, come on. He's awesome. So guys, our slime failed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.